Good afternoon, guys. I'm in the kitchen. I'm making a mess. Today we're going to be making some chocolate chip brownie cheesecake bites, muffins, whatever you want to call them. They're different things. And I saw this and I thought, that looks too easy and sounds too good to not be good. So we're going to try today. We're going to see if we can replicate it. First of all, you need to prepare a muffin tin. I sprayed it with cooking spray, and then I took a paper towel and wiped the top of it, just go across the top of it so it doesn't get smoky and you know, nasty up your oven. Then I have a package of Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix, and to make it just like it says on the back, with 2 tablespoons of water, half a cup of oil, and 2 large eggs. I have that done right here. Then we're going to need some Philadelphia cheesecake no bake batter. We're going to put that in there too. All of these things, this is making it super easy, so you can't mess this up. The next thing we got to do, though, is we got to get our cookies out. And you can use whichever kind of cookie you want to. I got the Toll House chocolate chip cookies. And what you're going to do, I'm going to split this apart here. I'm going to attempt to split this apart. I may split it apart, and I may not split it apart. Ugh, my knife is not wanting to cooperate. There, let's see. Now, let's see if I can get this off of there. I really need a piece of wax paper under this. Let me get a piece of wax paper here real quick. Because it is sticky, and I know it is sticky because it's chocolate chip cookie dough. And I'm going to try to get this off of here if I can. I'm sorry, guys. I have a horrible time with my arm, and you all just have to be patient with me, because sometimes things just do not want to cooperate. Now, we have 12 muffin tin cups here. So we're going to try to do this. We may have more than enough for one batch. And if we do, that's okay, because I'm making these to send to work with Robert. I figured the guys he worked with would really like these. So Randy and Chase, y'all going to get y'all some goodies. Now what we want, let me get my other knife. Where's it at? But there it is. I want the one that's got a longer blade, because I'm going to cut through these cookies. Now, we want to cut them. We don't want to cut them real thick, but we want to cut all the way through it. Ugh. And this is not wanting to work real good. Then we're going to put in, let me get y'all this way just a little bit. Then we're going to put them in the cookie. And you're just going to press it down just a little bit. Now, I'm going to try, let me get a bit different knife. This is not, I'm going to get my popper chopper knife out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I'm not going to cut the rest of them yet, because we got to get these in the muffin tins first. We're going to put them down in there and press them in. My fingers are not wanting to work as good today. I'm sorry, guys. It's just having a tough day of it. And they used a regular muffin tin, but I swan it looks like a lot of stuff for a muffin tin. But we'll see. We'll find out. Excuse me. My allergies have been really flaring big time. I have sneezed and blowed and my nose is burned until I'm just tired of it. Tired of it. Well, how did I not get enough? I didn't get enough cookies there. I need one more cookie dough. Now, I'm going to put that in the bottom. And that's sticking that right in there. Now, I'm going to wrap this up and put it back in the fridge while we're doing this because I don't want it to get hot. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take, let me wash my hands. Sorry, guys. These would be really good for a picnic, a cookout, to have something that's just quick and easy and doesn't require a lot of prepping to make them. Not a lot, but you can, I look for easy myself. I look for easy. Okay, now we're going to take this small little cookie scoop and we're going to get 1 scoop of the brownie batter and we're going to put it right there on top of the cookie dough. Okay. I'm trying to get them kind of even, or trying to. I may not, since sometimes I don't do very good. This one needs a little bit more in it. And so does this one. I can tell I didn't get as much in these. This is why you want to be sure and grease your pan good, because some of this batter may actually get on the sides of it and you want it to come off pretty good. I believe I'll have enough to make maybe another half a batch. Now, I'm gonna rinse this off and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to put the cheesecake batter on top of it. And we're not going to put hardly as much, but we're going to get a little dollop out. About like that. And we're going to put it right on top of the brownie batter. These are just too easy to make. I think they will be really good, and we're going to find out. And you need to be preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake these for about 30 minutes. Just about got it here, guys. Now, I'm going to put my cheesecake batter back in the fridge so I don't let it get hot. Now, if you have a toothpick or something like that, I'm using a nut thing you pick nuts out with. You know, like you crack nuts and pick out the kernels. That's what I'm using. And I want to stir this around in the brownie batter. I want to get this around. I want to mix some of the brownie batter in with it. Like that. And this just takes a couple of minutes to do. I kind of roll it over a little bit because I want to bring part of that brownie batter in it. Like that. And that's crazy. I can't do it as well like that way. My hand doesn't work as well that way. Now, let's see. Trying to this is the hardest part, getting this done. I almost skipped that one, didn't I? You all let me skip it. We're just about. The reason you want to mix a little of this brownie batter in this is that it will pull the cheesecake batter down into the brownie a little bit. Want to get it swirled around pretty good. Now, we've got it. Now, I'm just going to lay this down for a second. I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And we'll be back and I'll show you what they look like. Might even taste one. Okay, guys. I just got the brownie cheesecake muffins out of the oven. And I baked them 28 minutes in my oven. Once you take them out, they're going to sink in just a little bit, so don't be alarmed. They're not going to stay puffed up. They're going to be kind of sink in just a little bit. I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes, and then I will take them out, and I will take a picture, and I will post it on my page on In the Kitchen with Kathy. You have to go to my page, guys, if you want to see recipes and things like that and videos. Everything that I post is on my page. I know you all just see it popping up, but if you go to In the Kitchen with Kathy, you can scroll down my page. That means just go down the page, take your finger and push up on it, and you can see everything that I've done. And you can see all the recipes that are there, videos that are there, anything I've done is there. So, but I'll be back in just a little bit. We'll talk to you later. There's the muffin. Tastes delicious. I tasted at the edge of it. It tastes really good. They're still hot though. I've got to let them cool off. I'm trying to get, I took 2 out of the pan. They're not hardly cool enough yet, but they will be in just a minute.